welcome to Curry TV. How's everybody doing? I hope you're having fun. We are also having fun. Today is Halloween, or we are celebrating Halloween ahead of time just for you guys. So for that, I wanted to show you some kid-friendly recipes that you can create for your kids. Very, very healthy and easy things that they can even make on their own. So for that, let me also bring my kids in and we'll have a costume party along with some goodies. Can you guess what I am? I am the Egyptian Cleopatra. Yes, Cleopatra. The only thing I do not like is the snake up here. It's just kind of haunting me. Of course, that's all about Halloween, right? Being haunted or make a haunted scene for everybody. So let's bring in my girls and let's make caramel apple. It's so easy. You can do it with your kids. So my set is ready. My kids are ready. Nidia is Maleficent, and Nimita is
the princess.
The princess. All right. So we got the drama in the house. We got the horror in the house. We got everything going, right? Okay. So what we're gonna do is make caramel apple. For that, we need Granny Smith apples. Those are the best ones. What we did ahead of time to save your time, we washed them and kept it in the fridge or freezer for 15 minutes. So next thing what we need is a paper towel to wipe off all this dampness on this, and then we're going to start inserting popsicle on this. All right, so Nidya, can you get me a paper towel please? And Nimita, let's start inserting popsicles. All right, okay, there's one for you. Good job. There you go. Show some muscle power. Insert one in there. Okay, wow, very good. So with the help of our popsicle or pop stick, we are just going to wipe it out, and Nimita is going to do this process while Nidya is going to melt our caramel. So you can buy your caramel in the packet and follow the instructions on there, or you can make your own using condensed milk. So that's totally up to you. So this one is done. I'm just gonna, and we do need a different plate to get this set going. So Nimita, wipe that down and let's melt our caramel in the microwave for 2 minutes. Okay, so our caramel is ready, our apple is ready. What do we do next?
We dip it in the...
We do the dip. Alright, so we take our apple, slide into your bowl so that it's easier to, because it's hot, melted chocolate. So I'm just going to show you one. You guys are going to do the rest, okay? So just going to twirl around your green apple, making sure that it's covering all areas. It's okay if there's a few spots open. And just do the dance, swiggly dance. And we are going to let this rest for 15 minutes. So our caramel is ready, our apple is ready. So I just showed you how to do it. All right, so what Nidya is going to do is take one of the apple, right, and dip it in the caramel, making sure that you're getting all sides of it. That's right. Do your twirl. One I dip you. Very good. So see what Nidya is doing right now? She has a lot of caramel at the bottom, but not at the top. So we're going to use our spoon here to just help that a bit, okay? Making sure it gets all the caramel, because nobody should be left around. Yeah. So what are you guys going to dress up as, or are you going to celebrate Halloween this year? If you are, don't forget to make these caramel. Caramel?
Yeah, I love
apple. That's right, apple. Okay. You know what else you can do? You can do a lot of toppings such as crushed peanuts, sprinkles, chocolate drizzle. All are welcome here. Okay, our apple is ready, and we're going to let that rest for 15 minutes in the fridge. How easy is it to make caramel apple? What are the ingredients you need?
Caramel.
Of course.
Apple.
Of course. So
And
you only need two things.
And chopsticks. Yeah.
And popsicles.
Yeah.
Okay, popsticks. So if you have all three, you can make an easy peasy caramel apple.
Apples.
So these are one of our favorites when during Fall season, Halloween. All right. So try this out and let us know in the feedbacks how it turned out for you. All right. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye-bye.